In this fast-changing world, industry leaders place digital transformation strategy as the top priority for success. But what does it really mean to achieve digital transformation? In an efficient, profitable, and smooth-sailing plant operation, there are several interconnected elements. A network of people, processes, and technologies are seamlessly integrated for an effective system asset management. Let's see how this works. Meet Anna, a plant maintenance engineer for X Corporation. Her mission is to maximize uptime for a healthy plant production. After a productive day at work, an unexpected challenge, such as a server or CPU failure, can suddenly occur, leading to unexpected breakdowns while Anna is not aware. Without the right action, the production can be affected. Luckily, X Corporation is fully supported by Yokogawa's OpreX Managed Service. Through digitization, asset information is accessible in digital format, providing actionable insight through a dashboard 24/7. This serves as the single source of truth for the maintenance process. Through digitalization, monitoring and secure remote access by Yokogawa enables condition-based and predictive asset management. With a comprehensive ticketing system, reports and threats are addressed timely, and Yokogawa can send a spare part overnight, just in time for Anna to start her shift. Through this digital transformation service model, system asset maintenance can be made seamless. So even if a problem occurs, it can be mitigated before it happens, or be fixed with speed and accuracy. Now Anna can focus on creating value and rest easy knowing that Yokogawa is watching over their integrated plant where 1. Information flows easily, 2. Decisions can be made with accuracy, and 3. Actions can be implemented with speed and precision, thus creating a positive ripple effect in the entire organization and ultimately improving the bottom line. The Yokogawa OpreX Managed Service provides an integrated ecosystem for plant maintenance. Are you ready to experience digital transformation for your system asset management? With OpreX Managed Service, the future starts today.